Alright guys, so before I put on my aero kit, I'm gonna clean this up. I believe I bought the car like that. I have not scraped at all, to my knowledge. And I've pretty much seen it since the day I got the car, so I'm gonna go with that. It's there. It's been there. But I'm gonna use this paint to clean it up, and yeah, we'll see how it works. So. Alright, so the product that I'm using is Touch Up Direct. They are awesome. They have the exact paint match for many cars, but obviously the Subaru as well too. You have your primer, your base coat, your mid coat, and then your clear coat. I'm going to be using some degreaser, to the last of my degreaser to kind of clean the area. And then of course I have my isopropyl alcohol as well too before I do any of the paint. So at the moment I am using 400 grit sandpaper just to lightly sand it and kind of take a lot of the scuffs or the rough edges kind of out of it to really kind of get the paint to stick. It looks like the plastic really kind of like frayed a little bit, so you really want to try to make it as smooth as possible so that you can get the paint to stick as best as possible. So clean the area, degrease it, and then like I said, then I'm going to wipe it down with the alcohol swabs, and yeah, start applying the paint. So So I got 3 coats of the primer on there, and now I'm going to put on 2 or 3 coats, probably 3, of the base coat. So put everything on. Last I have to put on the clear coat. So it looks good. I mean, I don't know what it looks like in the camera, but in person it's not bad at all. Definitely way less noticeable than what it was before. So let me put this clear coat on. Again, 2 to 3 coats every 10 to 15 minutes, and I'll show you guys the end result. I can't tell a difference from afar and really until I can get really close. So I'm happy in the end. And yeah, so the company, again, let me show you again. Hello. Touch Up Direct. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that. Touch Up Direct. touchupdirect.com. Yeah, they were awesome. So got everything that you need. So thanks again, guys.